Hey friend, it's the Daily Journal. Let's take a look at today's daily reading in 60 seconds. Making a joyful noise to God. In Psalm 66, verses 1 through 12, the psalmist invites all the earth to make a joyful noise to God, celebrating his mighty works and praising his name. The psalmist reminds us that our worship should be marked by exuberant joy and heartfelt praise. Just as the psalmist encourages us to make a joyful noise, we are called to offer our whole being in worship to God. Our voices, instruments, and hearts unite in harmonious praise, expressing gratitude for His goodness and His faithfulness. So let us reflect on the wonders that God has performed in our lives, and may our worship resound with joy and adoration. In lifting our voices and hearts to Him, we participate in a symphony of praise that honors and magnifies the name of our mighty God.